Hi guys, coming straight into the video. So this video is regarding to change the 3 LED modes rainbow lightning settings for the model Redgear MD02. Okay, so just follow this method here. Press function and this key. Okay, it will change automatically back to back 3 LED modes. Okay, so like that. So in order to stop this settings, you just press this button for one time. It will stop. Okay, so again if you press it for one time, it will stops at a certain color. Okay, you can change the LED lightnings as you like. Hope you got it. That's it regarding to this video guys. Catch you in the next video. Until take care, bye bye.